Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the main problems of partnership accounts, and I will give the problem sheet in our description box. Go and check it out. And first, we have to know about the drawings. For example, ఒక పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఫామ్ లోపల టూ పార్ట్నర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఏ అండ్ బి, అండ్ బి is drawing B drawn 1 lakh rupees. If interest on drawings is 10%, then how much interest on drawings will be? Interest on drawings will be 1 lakh into 10% on 1 lakh, 10,000. Like, right? This is the interest on drawings. But if partner is drawing the amount every month at the beginning of the month, and I will take it here. If partner is drawing uh, beginning of the month and middle of the month and end of the month, so how to calculate the drawings? For example, b is drawing b is drawing 1000 every month, 1000 every month at beginning of the month, middle of the month, end of the month. So how to calculate drawings in each situation? For example, b is drawing 1000 every month in the beginning of the month. So drawing 1000, and in 1 year we will have 12 months, so into 12, and he is drawing beginning. So we have to remember that if he draws beginning, we have to multiply this with the 6.5 by 12. When if we draw beginning of the month only, if we draw middle of the month, then we have to calculate 1000 into 12 into 6 by 12. If he draw end of the month, we have to calculate 1000 into 12 into 5.5 by 12. So this is the simple logic we have to remember. If beginning of the month 6.5, if the middle of the month 6, if the end of the month 5.5. Right. Right. Let's start our problems. This is the problem number 1. Right. X and Y start business with capitals of rupees 90,000 and 45,000 on 1st January 2008. X is entitled to a salary of 600 per month. Here. Interest is allowed on capitals and is charged on drawings. So we have interest on capitals and interest on drawings. How much? 5% per annum. Profits are to be distributed equally after making the above adjustments. So profits are to be distributed equally. Equally means the profit sharing ratio will be 1:1. During the year, X withdraw 10,000, Y 12,000. Profits before the adjustment amounted to the 52,000. So this is the net profit, 52,000, assuming the capitals to be fixed. So here capitals are fixed, so we have to prepare the two accounts. One is the capital account and another one is the current accounts. Prepare profit and loss adjustment appropriation account and capital accounts relating to the partners. So first of all, we have to calculate the profit appropriation account and profit divisible to the profit partners. So we know the pro forma. So what will we come in the credit side? First, by net profit. How much net profit we have? Here we have net profit of 52,000. Next, interest on capital will be come under credit side to interest on capital. Here we have two partners X, Y, and if they are taking any salary, we have to record those salary in debit side to salary. Right. If there are any reserves, we have to record reserves. And if they are taking any commission or bonus, we have to record in the debit side only. Right. And here we have interest on drawings also. So by interest on drawings, interest on drawings. Right. And first of all, we have to calculate the interest on capital. How much interest on capitals will be charging. So first of all, how much they have capitals? They have capitals of 90,000 and 45,000. 90,000 and 45,000. So 90,000 for X, for Y, 45,000, and interest on capital and drawings will be 5% per annum. So into 5 by 100 into 5 by 100. So here we will get 4,500. Here 2,250. So interest on drawing capital will be 4,500, 2,250, total 6,750. And salary, who is taking salary here? Here um, only Y, only Y is entitled to take salary. How much? Y, 600 per month. So into 12, 7,200 is the salary taken by the Y. And next we have to calculate the interest on drawings. First, we don't record drawings in the profit and loss appropriation account. We will record the drawings in the capital accounts only. Right. We will record interest on drawings here, not only drawings. So how much interest on drawings? First of all, how much drawings they are taking? So they are taking drawings of X and Y. X and Y. How much X is taking? X is taking 10,000. Y is taking 12,000. So X is taking 10,000. Y is taking 12,000. Right. And how much interest on drawings? 5%. 5%. And they have not mentioned anything in the problem, like they are taking middle of the year, beginning of the month, end of the month. They have not given anything in the problem, so we will assume they are taking middle of the month. So we have to do 6 by 12 here. They have not mentioned anything about the when they are taking drawings, so we will assume they are taking the drawings in the middle of the month. So we have to do 6 by 12 here. So we will get 250 and 300 interest on drawings. X and Y. X is taking 250, 300. They have to pay to the firm interest on drawings, right? And this is the P&L appropriation account, and we have to do balancing. Here we will have a total of 52,550, 550, and we have to divide this balance to the remaining partners. So how much balance we will have, we are getting. So total of credit 52,550 minus these two items, we will get 38,600. So we have to divide this profit to the partners according to their profit sharing ratio, net profit to the x to the y. So how much they will get the profit sharing. So 38,600. And what is their profit sharing ratio? We have already discussed here. They will have, they are distributing equally after making the above adjustments. So they have 1 is to 1 profit sharing ratio. So 38,600 into 1 by 2. So X is getting 19,300. Y is getting 19,300. Right. Next, we have to do the capital accounts. And here, partners are following fixed capital methods. So we have to make two accounts. One is the capital account, and another one is the current accounts. So here capitals are not going to be changed. Capitals are to be fixed. So here only one thing will become in the debit side and credit side. That only balance. How much balance they have? X and Y, 90,000 and 45,000. Here balance carry forward. How much? 90,000, 45,000. No other things are come in the capital accounts here because capitals are fixed here. Next, we have to make current accounts are also here, and here we don't take any capital items here. We will take the remaining all items related to the partners here. One second. Plus and X and Y. Right. And what are the partners are getting are to be recorded in the credit side of the current accounts. So what are they are getting, we can simply can see by P&L appropriation account. Whatever the amounts are coming in the debit side of the P&L appropriation account will become in the credit side of the current accounts. So here we will have debit side interest on capital, salary, net profit, and these are the amounts to be given to the partners. So in the current accounts, we have to record these items in the current accounts. So what are they are getting? One is interest on capital and salary and net profit from P&L appropriation account. So how much interest on capital they are getting? So X is 4500, Y is 2250. X is getting 4500, Y is getting 2250. How much salary X and Y are getting? Here, X is not getting any salary. Y is getting X is not getting any salary. Y is getting 7200. And how much profit they are getting after all adjustments? 19,300, 19,300. Right. These are the items they are getting through the P&L appropriation account. And what are they are paying to the firm? They are paying interest on drawings. They are paying interest on drawings. And here this item is came in the credit side. So we have to write this in the debit side of the partner's account. So interest on drawings, and don't forget to write drawings here. Drawings are not came in the profit and loss appropriation account, but it will become in the current accounts or capital accounts. So drawings and interest on drawings will become in the debit side of the current accounts. So how much drawings they are taking? 10,000, 12,000. Interest on drawings will be 250, 300. Right. That's all. There are no other things will come in the current accounts here. So we have to do balance here. So we will get 23,800, 28,750 here. 23,800, 28,750 here. And balance, we have to add all the credit items, and we have to minus the all debit items from the credit items. So here we will get to balance. How much we will have credit? 19,300 plus 4,500, 23,800 minus 10,000 minus 250. We will get 13,550. Same like that, 16,450. And this is the current account.